Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new codes on the Dress to Impress update. So the new codes are, let's go to the code section here, enter the code. The first one is Angel Tanked. Angel Tanked Redeem. And you get this, I guess, helmet? I don't know what it is. I think it's a helmet. And then the second one that's new is Enchanted Izzy. So 3 Enchanted Izzy. I'm just going to put all the new codes on the description box down below. And what you get is this code, is these items. This very cute wand. Super cute. There's left and right hand toggle. And then you also get this helmet. And those are the new codes on Dress to Impress. Oh my god, so cute. When you walk, it kind of like has this aura on it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!